Okay, it's William Jiaming from LearnFinance3.com, and let's continue. So we previously mainly talked about the pricing. Okay, what about valuation? What about say I got this time? Okay, I got this time. I want to calculate how much is the value of the swap that I'm holding. Okay, how to do that? Pretty simple. We use an offset portfolio method to do that, and it can be pretty complex if you like draw everything out, but I'm going to simplify it. Okay, so I'm going to omit one thing, that is float, because float is always can be offset, because if you like got here, okay, and every time that you're going, so I'm going to like an original contract will be the pay, fix, and receive float. So you're going to get like a pay fix, I'm going to just write 3, okay, fix, and I'm going to get a float, okay. And remember, everything here is the contract you set at time 0. So fix will be fix 0, fix 0, fix 0. Okay, and the float is just a simply float. So if you say at time here, at time t, you enter into a like the opposite contract, offset portfolio to offset the portfolio of pay fixed receive float, you're going to have a exactly opposite portfolio of receive fix while pay float. Okay, so you're going to receive fix, receive fix, receive fix while playing float. So the float will always be the same. Okay, that really depends on the market. So the float will just be cancelled out. So basically, this can be simplified with something like this. So at this specific time, you're going to pay a specific fix, but you're going to receive a specific fix. But this fix is different. Okay, this is time 0, is time t. Okay, this is receive a specific fix time t. You're going to pay specific fix time 0. So the fix is different, and that kind of differences is because you enter into this opposite contract at time t rather than at time 0. So the fixed rate, or rather if you like enter into the contract of a swap, okay, at this point of time, and you're going to like doing all sort of calculation that we did earlier, like summation, like the last one, the summation, all that, you got like a new fixed rate, okay, and you just need to compare these two rates, this difference of the fixed rate, okay, and so from the formula's perspective, it's really simple. We got this notional principle here, so just use NA for that, just the total amount of money, okay. Every calculation we use is using 1 unit, so you can just scale it up, okay, and you multiply, and what is inside is really important, okay. You're going to use the fixed rate that you entered at time 0, and you subtract the fixed rate that you get at time t. So every time, whether it's a win or lose, every time you're going to get a specific win or specific lose. Okay, even though it's kind of like you got a fix on float, but you don't need to worry about float. Okay, because float is cancelled out at step 1, so we're worrying about step 2, which is a simplified version. Okay, so we got like a fixed t as well as a fixed 0 all the way. Okay, you subtract that, but you need to sum it up. Okay, so this is every time's difference when you enter this offsetting contract. Then you are going to use the summation all the way I to n. And you're going to discount that back to now because you are kind of doing this evaluation here. So every difference you're going to discount that back to the time t. Okay, so basically you're going to do all sort of thing. I'm going to use the summation here. So it's like a bracket. You got like discount factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, really simple. But I'm going to use the mathematical notation for that. Will be the present value factor or discount factor, like a d. That really depends on your preference. And I'm going to get the PVI here. Okay, just to sum it all up. So basically like a discount factor 1, discount factor 2, we sum it all up, discount factor n, yeah, all that. So basically it's like the difference multiply discount factor plus the difference multiply discount factor, all that. Okay, just a simplified version. Of course, once you find out, that's just one unit. Okay, don't forget to multiply the notional principal, and that is the value of your swap. Okay, really simple one here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, bye.